Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can hide apps in VIVO. So firstly, you will need to launch settings, then enter the security category, onwards go for the privacy and app encryption, set up your privacy password for your hidden apps. I'll go with button and set it up like that. Then you will need to set the security questions. Hit the done button. From here, go for the app hiding section and turn on the switch in front of the apps you would like to hide. So let's say I'll go with Facebook. Okay. And now the Facebook app is hidden. And well, I will not be able to find it at my home screens, nor will I able to find it through the search. If you would like to see the apps that are hidden, go for settings, security, privacy and app encryption, enter the privacy password and open the view hidden apps page. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.